So, like I promised you, we're back here again based on your comments. So, we are solving this linear equation, finding the value of this unknown. So, there's one thing I want you to know before we get into solving this. First is to know this is the case that we call addition, meaning that the unknown here is combined with an addition. So you see, this is the unknown, this is 3, they're adding. So you need to know about the cases because we're going to talk about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on. So this is x plus 3 equals 4. This is us finding the solution for x where x is adding to a term. All right, so how do we solve this? Well, the key here, or the major step, is to keep x alone, or the unknown, on one side of the equation, which is preferably the left-hand side. So let's do that. Let's put x alone here. We have x here and bring down the equal sign. Now, what do we do with 3? Once we're finding for x, we want to keep x alone on the left-hand side, so everything else we get rid of, or in other words, we put it over the equal sign. All right? So it means we want to take this 3 and we want to bring it over here. But before we do that, we write the 4 first, because the 4, come on, it was there before. All right? Look at the key important thing that's happening here. Now, this 3 now is subtracting from the 4. Why? Here's this. This was a positive 3 when it was on the left-hand side of the equal sign. When we take it over the equal sign, it's subtracting, or it's a negative 3. Why is that? Well, the rule is once we're taking a term over the equal sign, whether here to here or here to here, the opposite of its operation, it's happening, it's taking place. In other words, if this is a positive 3, when it goes over, it becomes a negative. Yes? So that's why we have a negative 3. So x here is equal to 4 minus 3, which is 1. Let me know what you think about this.